Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a security feature that AWS provides to us for an EC2 instance. Imagine that you have your production environment running on EC2s and for any mistake someone goes to the console and terminates all the production instances. You don't want that. So in order to protect that, you can go to the instance, to the production instances, and go to the action, go to instance settings, and enable change termination protection. This feature you can go and enable here. This feature will prevent for users in the console and also from the API or the IAC tool to terminate instances. So if I try to terminate this one now, it will return an error because I enable the protection, and this is what you want for your production environment. Okay, this is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.